Hello everyone, this is Shanu Bhatia from Gossip Funda. Today I am going to make a video on the topic most comfortable headphones, music, gaming, mood. Starting with the introduction, while cycling or at the gym with your music, keep yourself energetic every time. Scroll and go through some most comfortable headphones and admire your music taste with them. They help you not only your energy but also they are safer enough to save your ears. Advantages of using headphone. We all know that headphones have greater advantages over earbuds. Earbuds have an adverse effect on our ears and mind and listening capacity also. Headphones retain the quality of music with its changing bass. They even block the background noise and you can appreciate your music without any disturbance. We can even listen to music even when at distance from the device if you are using wireless headphones. Quality to check in any headphone. Thumping bass, wired or wireless depending upon one's needs. Warranty time period, affordable, easy volume control, impedance, frequency response, sensitivity, noise cancellation feature, design, comfort and duration of battery life. Best most comfortable headphone models. We are providing few best list of headphones which are most comfortable, starting with Audio Technica ATH M50X. This is a wireless headphone that will give you generous music listening experience. Wired model of ATH M50X is also available. This is a professional monitor headphone which has a deep bass. It can be connected to any device using Bluetooth. It can remember up to 8 various device pairing but once at a time. Next one is Bose Quiet Comfort 35-2. This headphone has an extraordinary quality of noise cancellation. It cancels noise so that you can enjoy your music without any disturbance. It even has voice assistants, namely Google and Alexa. Voice assistants are inbuilt so that you can do anything on your smartphone like roaming around. It is available in 3 colors which are black, white and rose gold. Count your playlist or YouTube. Next one is Sennheiser HD599. It is a headphone from Sennheiser. This is a comfortable headphone when we want a wide one. It has an open back over ear design so that your ears feel no pressure but only flowing music. It has ivory color. Sennheiser HD599 has an extraordinary design with matte metallic detailing. Next one is Sony WH-1000XM3. Sony has given its users the best experience of music listening with WH-1000XM3 headphones. It has many salient features. One, won't have noticed. This noise cancelling headphone has the latest HD noise cancellation processor QN1. This has impressive features like voice assistance to make things easier. You can adjust the volume by touch control. These are wireless headphones that you can connect using Bluetooth, NFC or USB. Next one is Grado SR80E. Being one of the prestigious series of Grado, these are one of the best wired headphones. They have very soft cushions and they are comfortable to wear. It has a jaw dropping design and it will amaze your colleagues. They have embossed vinyl strap for one extended durability. They have a dynamic type of transducer. Next is Sennheiser PX1002. This is a wired headphone with a comfortable cushion on ear cups. This is an on-ear mini headphone. It is very light in weight and can be easily carried. It occupies very little space due to its foldable feature. Sennheiser PX1002 has 32 ohms impedance. Last but not the least, conclusion. From the above most comfortable headphones, different models, you come to know about the specification of these models. Each and every model is extraordinary with its own features. Companies have provided us with comfortable headphones and with their unique embedded features. It's challenging for a user to choose any one headphone as the most comfortable one. Carry them with you anywhere where you go and listen to unlimited music. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please like, subscribe and share my channel. And don't forget to write your valuable comment in the comment box. Thank you everyone.